Before your food runs out, before your batteries die, there's one thing that stops working immediately in an emergency: your bathroom. And if you've ever been off-grid, you already know. Sanitation can make or break your entire experience. So today, we're counting down 15 of the most innovative portable camping toilets that every modern prepper should know about. These aren't just buckets. These are engineered survival tools designed for long-term hygiene, comfort, and self-sufficiency. Stick around until number 1. It's surprisingly cheap, incredibly stable, and one of the smartest minimalist designs out there. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 15, OGO Electric Compost Toilet. The OGO is what happens when you take a full composting setup and shrink it into a portable off-grid powerhouse. With the push of a button, an electric mixer fully agitates the solids, speeding up composting and eliminating odor without chemicals. It supports up to 550 pounds, separates liquids automatically, and the urine bottle even has a level sensor. If you're building a van, tiny home, or long-term shelter, this is one of the most advanced no-dump, no-smell systems you can buy. But if you want something even more futuristic, this next one doesn't even use water. At number 14, Modiwell Heat Seal Dry Flush Toilet. This is one of the cleanest waste systems on the market. You press a button and the toilet automatically wraps and heat seals the waste into an odor-proof liner. No water, no chemicals, no dumping sludge. A single battery charge lasts around 100 flushes and it supports about 350 pounds. Perfect for remote clinics, emergency shelters, RVs, or anywhere you want zero cleanup. What if you want odor control without external vents? Then you'll love number 13. Number 13 on our list, Cuddy Compact Compost Toilet. Designed for tight spaces, the Cuddy uses a powerful fan and carbon filter system so you can run it completely unvented, a huge deal for vans and boats. It separates liquids, uses a simple manual mixer, and includes an LED light that tells you when the tank is full. Lightweight, low maintenance, and chemical-free, great for extended off-grid living. But if you want real composting inside the toilet itself, check out number 12. Landing at number 12, LeCardio Heated Biological Composting Toilet. This unit goes beyond dry toilets. It performs true composting inside the chamber. A built-in heating plate fights moisture and cold, while a biological additive and automatic stirring shaft break down solids in as little as 2 weeks. That means no taking solids out to a second compost bin, near odorless operation. Works even in cold climates. A sustainable long-term prep solution. Now let's shift to the classic portable flush toilets, starting with one of the most popular. Taking the number 11 spot, Alpcour Portable Flush Toilet. This one upgrades the standard chemical toilet with a powerful piston pump that gives a stronger, cleaner flush. A 360-degree bowl sprayer helps prevent stains, and the large tanks mean fewer trips to empty it. Leak-proof seals, a rotating pour spout, and durable construction make this ideal for families, RVs, and emergency kits. But if you want the king of classic porta potties, number 10 has earned its reputation, and holding strong at number 10, Thetford Porta Potty 365. The Porta Potty 365 is the gold standard for long-term portable sanitation. You get big freshwater and waste tanks with 50+ flushes per fill, ergonomic handles, and easy clean out with Thetford's rotating spout design. Reliable, comfortable, and built to last, perfect for emergency shelters, RVs, or marine use. Now let's bring the price down without sacrificing performance. At number 9, US Camping Supply Portable Toilet. This model boosts durability with seamless polyethylene tanks and a reliable double-layer valve for odor control. Dual flushing outlets clean the bowl more effectively, and the waste tank holds over 5 gallons, plenty for multi-day use. A great budget pick for truckers, campers, and storm preparedness. But what if you need privacy and portability in one kit? Check out number 8. Coming in at number 8, BLIKA Pop-Up Privacy Toilet Kit. This is a full rapid deployment toilet system. You get a pop-up privacy tent and a clever height-adjustable folding toilet that goes from 3 to 14 inches using a fish scale design. It supports 350 pounds, includes absorbent gel packs, and packs down fast. Perfect for road trips, beach days, and emergency go bags. If comfort is your top priority, number 7 takes it up a notch. Number 7 on today's countdown, all-in-one Commode kit. Includes a privacy tent, bags, gel, and best of all, an ergonomic cushioned seat that's far more comfortable than hard plastic rivals. A simple, complete kit for families needing an instant, private, and comfortable bathroom setup anywhere. But maybe you want something sturdier and taller. At number 6, Sckee Extra Tall Portable Toilet. Standing 16.5 inches tall, this design solves the knee strain problem of low camping toilets. It supports up to 440 pounds, includes metal carrying handles, side pockets, and even a reflective strip for midnight bathroom trips. Comfortable, stable, and extremely user-friendly. Now for a design upgrade that focuses on durability. Breaking into the top 5 at number 5, Balla Balein Upgraded ABS Folding Commode. This redesigned folding toilet uses arched column supports instead of joints, making it incredibly sturdy, strong enough for 2 adults on uneven ground. You also get a contoured seat, toilet paper holder, phone slot, and rear storage compartment. Great for campers, truckers, and preppers who need a tough, no-nonsense setup. Speaking of capacity, number 4 is a monster. At number 4, large capacity folding Commode. With a massive 7.9-gallon capacity, this folding unit holds far more than typical portable toilets. It supports 440 pounds, collapses flat, and includes built-in handles plus a phone and toilet paper holder. Doubles as a stool or storage box, extremely versatile for group camping or hurricane kits. Number 3 is all about versatility in a compact frame, taking the number 3 position, lightweight dual lid toilet. This lightweight toilet features a removable inner bucket and a clever dual lid system that traps odors better than basic buckets. At only 5.5 pounds, it's great for home care, outdoor emergencies, or as a simple compost toilet frame. Now we're entering ultra-comfortable portability. Runner-up at number 2, Brarvagur Extra Tall Cushion Toilet. At 17.5 inches tall with 500-pound support, this is one of the most comfortable folding commodes available. It features waterproof PU leather, thick sponge padding, a built-in night sensor light, and even an aroma patch for freshness. A premium comfort pick for truckers, campers, and mobility-limited users. And finally, number 1 is shockingly simple but incredibly effective. At number 1, Square Folding Commode. This minimalist square frame design provides better stability than round seats, especially on uneven ground. A huge advantage outdoors. It folds down small enough for a backpack, weighs very little, and works with any standard waste bag. Great as a backup toilet, emergency kit essential, or lightweight hiking option. So there you have it. 15 innovative portable toilets for preppers, campers, off-gridders, and anyone who wants to stay clean and comfortable no matter what happens. Let me know in the comments, which one would you trust in a real emergency? And do you want a follow-up video covering the best privacy tents, shower systems, or compost bins? If this video helped you prep smarter, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next gear breakdown. Stay prepared and stay safe out there.